Assalamu alaikum friends, it is your AB teacher with a new topic past simple tense today. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Simple past tense is used to express completed action in past. As I saw a ghost last Friday. Here we have used saw, that's second form of the verb, showing past action. It is used to describe a series of completed actions in the past. I finished work, walked to the beach and found a nice place to swim. Here finished and walked and found are second forms or past forms of the verbs that show past completed actions. It is used to express habits in the past. As when I was young, I watched lots of television every day after school. Here watched is a past form of the verb. Here are some points that should be remembered. Number 1. We always use past form of the verb. As I enjoyed at the beach. Enjoyed is the past form of the verb. Number 2. Did is used as a helping verb and helps to make negative, interrogative and interrogative negative sentences. As we did not go to school yesterday, after using helping verb did, we change second form or past form of the verb into first. Now here is the structure of positive sentences. First of all, you have to add subject, then past form of the verb, that means second form of the verb, and then object. As I won a prize. Won is a past form of verb win. Now here is the structure of negative sentences. First of all, add subject, helping verb did, and then not, first form of the verb, and then object. As I did not win a prize. After using helping verb did, you have to change past form of the verb into first form of the verb, that is present. The structure of interrogative sentences. 8 auxiliary verb in the beginning, then subject, first form of the verb, and then object. Remember to add question mark in the end. Did I win a prize? An interrogative sentences, a question mark must be added. Let's know about interrogative negative sentences. You have to use auxiliary verb did, subject, adverb not, first form of the verb, and then object with a question mark. Did I not win a prize? Question mark. Here are a few examples. He met his friend last year. Positive. He did not meet his friend last year. Negative. Did he meet his friend last year? Interrogative. Did he not meet his friend last year? That is interrogative negative. Remember, after using did, you have to change the second form of the verb into first form of the verb, as here we have done.